Nor Malakan Yam we kana dial content barwani lingua ka nor online TV channel and the mandonation kwasnya ka bi no wachame rwachandana banaling muntu over wika South Sudan to kon kala dangro no laranyam bana rwacha ka kwi accident ka michitwok no bana mandana chitok tin bana jeling lera de bana rwach ka information ni bere wika malakal ka jo mishala ringo wa malakal gur ke jenwo bajot gwasdan tetin ka bajanang widodian ala city malakal city gur ke jenwo de jeri locate ki de janang widodian no bana joling kamana mishalat bikon man la ro gwasme bikon woling ke leyo ka kora chana lera nyam chanjo konin kel ala lerdan de konin gwasme lera nyam lermi bejbecha no ka tuoka re Lake State we jani ka jo mishalat gwasme wachi traffic police enter Lake State kala rango tika gwaranya mishal ka achol arop mapor kene woodkel mudid mutek rundi janwan mishal ka makur darwai waken chika yak no karumbek is county kashikan dangro shiye ken chika tesnien ka jo ran shalat keje ngai kono dupen winimi jaka long shitoman ngai kono kan dup kan kari aleka so kujamo washin editi shiye ken chika tesnien ka do ran shalat keje watu ka gwami shal ka namtuk kan pashuk area Kurumbek East County Chermangai kono dup South Sudan Tandien beke ke tanin jaka chala danu en vehicle dana chi yakke turbi dana chi yak wajen jena kawa kulo ka juba no kanya motor mo mishal ka shola roma porane wajen ni jala ke cycle ngayene garajan ke cycle ke bicycle wajen gere ke bicycle ngwa samo kanam tok area no wajen chwai yu bab wana mo jena dana ngwe yedo jen ka jaka jawdan shalat mi goro dena de kan ga de kan ka kapchong gwasdan ente torbiyal tekatin ko shagwano de na de ke lugo jando mo no jen accident dan shitok mi gorno de nyora yekel we ka yendi albako de yeno gorno chaga cha de jaka ja la kan wi chari gona sen kon tintinten ena gwate tinten goro jeno gad ba ka dilgang ni madara kel do ka ye gwasme barran kunyo kamelar ko dan dan talk sherman chalari no ka kwi malakal kan kononiam ami jirami jidit kan online TV channel gore jen be subscribe ka notification bell be twany en wala e shang wal bangon ka pay baro ron kina dangro wudi jen dangro wudi de bana jo me bana je choling jo ban linga amandana chalat men be ka malakal jen be kon lingone eno wujenen yen mo gwasa mo jene e apnal kolela malakal again one of the state ka apnal mitipin the take continent one so ndornen yen mo gwal mo ka ture again malakal shirkamnen yen mo ne jawon kuyen lingwasa me jawdana shanu ke mishalat ka kwi malakal mo gorno biya delinga gwa ka dobrana shalat ka je chalado ne wachine timwan chikora jano de malakal e de jawot malakal de jawot weido dien de jawot kawaw no wow shuluk area alo dor shuluk and wow ka jawdana shalat ke je kwa ila gurno biya jelinga dobrana shalat ke je the government of Apnal state has denied report that it's planning to move the headquarters of Malakal County from Malakal town to Wow Shuluk area. Kajo mishalat gwaseme warol michito ko social media. No kana jog bat chagwar ka I radio kajo ran shalat keje. No kakan media and content la roike ni kuma tin ko lat karolian en Chinetin one ke kuma shikala no jo shalat ka social media en wo ba Malakal ba jo ba janan kawaw Shuluk area chalado no mo e kachi talk ukon ka wo no wana me michito ka kor godedane shi governor James Kwang Shorale ngai kon James Kwang Shorale gobe dane shi jen ka ja shawa ka wajen ta jen ta ka wow wa we ko burga jeno de malakal de je gwadran tetin no wa de malakal de je relocate denan ka la county office keli de jenan ko shi kan leta ka malakal so quick comment la roda mi de jot ka jamo adulo any information ko nga do branch kan ka gwasme Kajo Charat Gwaseme, Malakal town currently serves as the seat of both the state and Malakal County. Lam Malakal Pone wara te karotit ten wajen state county but at the same time. Kwala Gurno jen iwa deja which deja nangwada den. Kajo Rana Shalat. Duno she government ki governor ni Wudi Shalkame James Kongshwarale Shalaringo Name Dong she talk but cha women Rana Kajo Long Awajen Chojian Shawako wa Shuluk town ka ugot payam Mishwa Gujanwo Mwentongni wa Gore Janwadar Gwami Dara Jobiko de Malakal de Jowutan Kajo Rana Chalat Gwasmini. It was also alleged that the governor did not travel with Malakal County Commissioner, which some view as unusual. Wajen the Enurishal Kamya Kongshorale, Wajen Kana Wokel Kana Ramdana County Commissioner, Wajen Wekarwade. Kajo Mishalat Gwaseme, Peter Nwojo Akwin, the State Minister of Information and official spokesperson, say there's no such decision from the government. Kanakan kuma kana ja konsharno de Malakal de jod gwazdan teten. Chikane de aljugo no ne tentere wika ka Malakal keji apanarano tela gwadman nanke Malakal ten ka joran chikanalak. Ki joran chikanalat. I would like to clarify that this is a completely untrue, and as a member of the delegation as well as deny this talk completely, and I call up on people to exercise self-restraint and not to exploit the governor visit to achieve a political agenda, because there are people who have started threatening the governor visit to Washuluk on Facebook, and this talk was completely rejected. Jo me connecting content takarwajala information ya latka Malakal no manchala de kaneshi talk and she governor shaweka kawaw Shuluk no jen eba ba Malakal ba jo kajoran chalat. This is not the first time the issue has caused controversy. Kajoran chalat no and we eba Malakal ba jo wachi jen changanyam. What the same thing happened K2021. A similar move by then state governor sparked widespread criticism, eventually forcing the governor to abandon the plan. K2021 chakon gideno de Malakal de jowot no ala Malakal County de jowot Malakal loko county jende were Malakal lo de Malakal de wala state ke de jowot ka wa chuluk chakula do namo wa medan chaja kontu dono shi governor enyam shoisho palko wa shirin di chejenu karwale dani chinaro alkeje en ba the county baile na nika wow wacha jo mo chaje look agenda no gore de nywaka yakel mujira mujidit kamo 9 TV channel gore jenwo jin there subscribe ko de notification bell der je trying ko mete kala michi bare da sho mala shube kaji kiye kajira mandana ci subscribe kamo 9 TV channel ani biati kamal banu jogala radian bye bye.